How to find the prime factorization of a number. So prime factorization is just breaking a number down into all of its prime factors. And it's real easy to do, and we're going to use a factor tree to do this. And you start by asking yourself, what two numbers will give me 40? What two numbers can I multiply to give me 40? You can start with any two numbers you want. So I'm going to start with 8 times 5. Now 5 is a prime number, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that. 8 is not prime. Remember, we need to break this down into all prime numbers, all prime factors. Now, what will give you 8? What two numbers could you multiply to give you 8? 4 and 2. Now, one of those is a prime number, and that would be 2. 4 is not prime. That can still be broken down into 2 times 2. And now we're done. And you can write this two different ways. The prime factorization of 40 would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, or you could write it 2 to the third power times 5, 2 cubed times 5, because we had 3 2's here. Now I'm going to do the exact same question. Whoops. I'm going to do the exact same question here. I'm just going to start it differently. So let's say that a student didn't start with 8 and 5. They started with 2 times 20. I just want to show you, you'll get the same result. So I'm going to start with 2 times 20. Now 2 is a prime number, and 20 can be broken down into 4 times 5. 5 is prime. 2 can be broken down into 2 times 2. And there you go. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, or 2 cubed times 5. I get the exact same result. Let's do another question. 28. Let's do the prime factorization of 28. I'm going to break that down into all prime factors. So you could start with 2 times 14, 4 times 7. I'm going to start with 4 times 7. Now 7 is prime, 4 is not. That can be broken down into 2 times 2. 2 is a prime number. So we're all done. So the prime factorization of 28 would be 2 times 2 times 7, or if you wanted to write it, 2 squared times 7, because we've